back to my channel. So today's review slash tutorial, as you can see from the thumbnail, it's going to be on Maybelline's Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette. These little 12 suckers right here. And if you would like to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so the first color I'm going to use, it's called Soons. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. And it's this one right here. It's matte. It's like a beige. Alright. The second one right beneath that, it's called Lemonade Craze. And it's that yellow one right there, which is also matte. You know, one thing I noticed about this yellow is that it showed up on me pretty good. Yellows don't normally show up on my skin tone. There's only 2 brands that I know that work on me, and that's from Melt Cosmetics, and then there's one from Makeup Forever. The next color is called Ice Pop. It's a coral, like a red orange, I would say, something like that. No, sorry, I'm so sorry, not red, pink orange. It's like a pink orange. That's gonna go right underneath that yellow one that I just put on. And bring it over. Alright, so next I'm going to cut the crease. Alright, so I'm going to cut the crease with this eyeshadow base from a cosmetic company called Gorgeous, and it's in white. Now, I think they are based in Australia. How I got my hands on this primer? A few years ago, quite a few years ago, maybe 3 years ago. They were at IMAX, New York, and I bought like 2 of them. The other one finished. This one, it was sealed, and I just opened it like maybe a week ago. Alright, so the first color that I'm going to apply is going to be on the inner eye, and it's called Main Squeeze. So this one is frosted. It's like a gold type of color. Alright, and then the one I'm going to use right next to it, it's called Citrus. Another frosted color, like metallic-y. I can see like metal. And that one is called Citrus, which it is a little bit on the peachy side. It's not a true gold. It's more like a peach with like pink undertones, but very, very light pink undertone. Okay, so let me extend that crease there. I knew it was too short. This next color, it's called Sugar Coated, which is that one right there. That's like a bronze. And then right next to that, it's called Old Fashioned, which is a matte brown as well. You know, so far I'm actually liking this palette. I really am. And when I say like, well, I like the colors, of course, but like the quality. It's not a bad palette at all. And let me use the last color. Alright guys, so I'm gonna clean up my face, eyeliner, mascara, all of that, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. And these are 12 shades. And it's called Maybelline, it's the Lemonade Craze. And it's supposed to be lemon, oh my god. Okay, so this is the palette. This is the finished look. It's 12 shades, so you have mattes and you have your shimmers. I must say that all of these colors, I like them. I like them a lot. The pigmentation is, I mean, it's like $10.99, no more than 12 bucks. For the price, I think it does a good job. The reason that I'm just a little hesitant about it is just the fact that I don't find, like this color right here, Ice Pop, which is like the most vibrant. I don't find that it actually translates onto my skin as vibrant as it is in the palette. However, it still showed up, and you can create a beautiful, subtle look with it. So it's gonna be subtle. If you're looking, like, really out of all the colors in here, that's the only one that actually pops. And I wanted a bit of pop because everything else is just so dormant. And I don't find that it gave me that pop. It did break up the monotony since everything is kind of on the nude side, but it's not that vibrant pop. It was more on the subtle side. So I think it's a good palette overall versus the price. I didn't have a hard time getting the color to show up on any of them, despite the fact that I said that they lack in opacity. Is it opacity? Is that the correct word? I don't know, they're just not like an in-depth color. What you see in the palette is not exactly what you're going to get. But overall, is it worth it? Absolutely. I would recommend it to be purchased. It says that the colors are infused with a citrus scent. I don't smell it. I don't smell it. If any of you guys have this palette and have had the opportunity to smell it, please leave your comments down below because I ain't get it. So yeah, so that's it guys, and I hope you enjoyed this little short tutorial video. I don't know if I did say in the beginning when I came back with the finished look that I'll leave the products below that I used. I'm about to head out, and come on now, we go through this all the time. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Do not leave without subscribing. If you're old, rate it and share and hit that notification button. And as always, don't forget to unleash the makeup inside of you. Ciao guys.